Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in today's video we will understand how to set up webhook inside Landingy. So a webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Landingy is a no-code landing page platform. So in this video I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a webhook inside Landingy and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for Landingy as my trigger application and here it is. And the trigger event will be new lead from landing page. So this trigger will start working whenever a new lead will be created from the landing page. So as I did that, over here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Landingy account with Pably Connect. So to begin with the connection, I'm going to take you to my Landingy account. So this here is my dashboard and this here is the page that I've created by the name of Papcon. So over here I will go to edit. And now over here I will go to this field and I will go to settings. And here under settings, I will go to integrations as per the instructions. So I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to go to webhook. So over here, this is an existing webhook. I'm just going to remove this. So over here, in order to build a connection, I need to mention the webhook URL. So from Pably Connect, I'm going to copy the webhook URL. And over here in this field, I'm going to paste it. So here as per the instruction, the request method will be kept as post and over here I've added the details as well that I want to send the details of the name, email and the phone number that were added in this page. So you can adjust these fields accordingly. So once I've mentioned the webhook URL, I'm going to click on save. And now over here I will click on save and close. So as I did that, here it says the integration is now active. But before moving ahead, I'm going to click on save once again and once this will be saved, I'm going to go to publish. So it is saved right now and now I'm going to click on publish. So it says all set, your page is live. You can now access your page online and share it to others. So I'm going to open this in a new tab. So this here is the page. Now moving back to Pably Connect, so here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data could be recorded over here in Pably Connect. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to submit the details in this. So here let's say that the first name is demo user, here's the email address and this here's the phone number. So now I'm going to click on attend the webinar now. Here it says, thank you for signing up. That means I've successfully made the submission and the lead would have been created inside Landingy and the details would have also been sent to Pably Connect. So firstly, I'm going to take you to my Landingy account and over here, I will go to the lead section. And yes, over here you can see that a new lead has been created by the name of demoUser@pablytudes.com. The origin is this landing page that was Papcon and here is the name of the lead and you can see the date and the time as well. So that means a lead has been created over here successfully in my Landingy account. So now taking you to Pably Connect and yes, over here you can see we have received the response and in the response we have got the details of the submission. So here you can see the phone number, here's the name, here is the email ID and here is the IP. So that means we have got the lead details inside Pably Connect successfully. So we have successfully set up a webhook inside Landingy. Now whenever a new lead will be created from landing page, then automatically the details will be captured over here inside Pably Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So just by going to this action window, I can select any application where I want to send the lead details. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pably Connect. So you can reach us at support@pably.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pably.com and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pably Connect and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.